Ever wonder why flying east is so much quicker? Well, today, we're uncovering the invisible forces behind it.
The secret is way up high. Think massive, invisible rivers of wind flowing in the sky.
Right, these aren't water, but pure wind. We call them jet streams, basically highways in our atmosphere.
They're found in the troposphere. You know, the part of the atmosphere where all our weather actually happens.
Check this out. They flow in both hemispheres, like these massive ribbons of wind just wrapping the Earth.
Okay, so there are two main types you need to know: the polar jet and the subtropical jet.
What's key here is their height and location. That polar jet, it's what brings those super cold winter storms. They're also called circumpolar whirls. And get this, their wind speed literally doubles in the winter. Crazy, right?
And in the summer, they do the opposite. They get weaker and stick closer to the poles.
So what's the engine behind these powerful wind rivers? It all boils down to a battle of temperatures.
It's pretty simple, really. The sun heats the equator more than the poles, creating a pressure difference.
And get this, Earth isn't alone. Jupiter's famous Great Red Spot, yup, that's a massive storm powered by a jet stream. So these jet streams act like a fence between hot and cold. This brings us to air masses.
Think of air masses as giant weather bubbles. They're like sponges, soaking up the vibe where they form.
This table is basically your weather cheat sheet. A beautiful, crisp winter day, you can thank a continental polar air mass.
Okay, so we know how they form. Now let's get into how they actually impact our daily lives.
For instance, a flight from LA to London hit over 800 miles per hour just by riding a jet stream.
And on Mount Everest, the jet stream whips the summit with winds over 100 miles an hour. Just brutal.
But in some places, they're a total lifeline. The easterly jet stream is what drives India's life-giving monsoon. But things are changing. As the planet warms, these jet streams are getting more unpredictable, and that means more extreme weather.
So, these invisible rivers are changing course, and figuring them out is absolutely crucial for our future.